How's it going? I want to welcome you to another video. You're obviously here because you want to know how to make money online in 2018 and how I make money with CTFO. And I'm going to break down CTFO a little bit. Quick video, but I've been getting some questions about it. So I want to really show you what to expect, when making money online with CTFO. First of all, obviously, by now you should know what CTFO. It is a CBD oil-based company. We have a list of products from anti-aging creams to actual CBD oil, CBD isolate oil, energy sprays, products for your pets, better health, better lifestyle for your pets as well, etc., etc. You're going to see more when you visit the website below. But anyways, a lot of people are asking me about the money, what to expect when getting in CTFO and making money online with CTFO. I like to describe it as a down the road type of company. And I don't mean years from now you're going to have a big income. It's going to take years and years and years. I mean a month span, 30 days to be exact, of consistent building, because how it's set up is to get active in the company. Yes, you can come in at free, but you're only going to get paid 20% of your personal sales and personal associates, and that's going to take you forever to get to the lifestyle you want to get to. So you want to come in, get active. That's how I always recommend it. Get active and go from there. But the requirements to get active is purchasing once a month at least a $47.47 amount of product or products. So that has to be, that's the minimum price range. You can purchase anything that adds up to that. They have auto ship plan set up where you can, you get a little bit of a discount. It comes down to $47.47 exact if that's the product you want. But if there's other products, you want to make sure it at least hits that price point once a month. And I love that because people don't get it. If you really want, to drive those cars, you want to drive down the road, get that house you want to get down the road, you're going to want residual. You're going to want residual income, and you're going to want to keep getting paid on your team week after week, month after month, and adding on. People are in these free companies and in these make money online companies where they have to go out every single week and get more sales. They get paid off of nothing on their team. And like I said, if you're a great sales rep, so be it. But I like a team, period. I find it cool where you can open up your laptop and open up different shops in different states, different countries. So like I said, it's a down the road type of company. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna start building. But with that monthly requirement in place, when you bring in these reps, as long as they know what's going on, you're going to get paid off of them every single time they buy a product once a month. But they might buy products multiple times a month. But at least once a month, you're going to get paid off of all your sales associates. And that's why I love this company. So right up front, if things are coming in kind of slow, like I hit the 3rd rank in the company. It's not super hard, but it's an accomplishment at the same time. But I know it's going to slowly build. So right away, commissions might look a little small if you're not bringing in a lot of people a day. Like I said, I already know what to expect. I've been around the block. I already understand different companies, and this is powerful. Also, one powerful thing, making money online 2018, making money online with CTFO, is they have what we all know as spillover. So it's a matrix, a big matrix. As you've seen in my previous video, it goes by threes, and I'm going to leave the presentation below because it's a big compensation plan. It's going to blow your mind. But the basic thing I want you to get is after those 3, after you get your personal 3, the rest are going to build under your team. That's powerful. And goes from whoever sponsors you as well. Whenever they hit their 3, it's going to keep going. That is crazy, crazy, insane, because someone coming in, struggling to get a rep, boom, you got a rep for them. They're feeling confident. They possibly hit another rank. And it's just powerful to be able to build like that. I haven't seen anything like that since, Wake Up Now. And it's been a long, long time. But yeah, CTFO is very powerful. When you watch the presentation below, watch it. If you have to, watch it multiple times. It's powerful, man. There's so many ways to get paid in the long run. and it's really going to set you up to really live that lifestyle and not be chasing sales every month, every week, every single day. You're going to sit back, slowly build your team, and keep going from there, guys. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I hope you get a little better understanding on how to make money online in 2018 and how to make money online with CTFO. My link's going to be below. My email's going to be below. Social media is going to be below. So make sure you contact me or even just comment with any questions, and hope to see you on the team.